Let's start grinding. 21 new skills I can get. Let's go. The force of gravity is... Oh, now we're doing... I thought I was still in bio. Now we're doing space. Is weaker. They have less mass. The following list describes a set of objects in my solar system, which is most likely the set of objects described by the list. So no atmosphere, many ruins, so outer planets, so talking Jupiter and gas giants. The Milky Way is surrounded by many smaller galaxies that have dwarf galaxies. The diagram shows the relative distances to the dwarf galaxies from the Milky Way. All of the dwarf galaxies have roughly the same mass. Which dwarf galaxy experience the weakest force of gravity from the Milky Way? So Milky Way is right here. So we're thinking Carolina, which is farthest away. Why do we have night and day? Sun, so we have 1 year because the Earth goes like this, and then we have days because the Earth is counterclockwise. Clockwise. The Earth rotates on its axis, so it has the thick, rocky surfaces. Few to no moons, no rings. It's probably one of the inner planets like Earth, Venus, Mars, something like that. That seems reasonable. Solid rock, thin atmospheres. Few or no moons. It has some moons, so it can't be an asteroid. Which experiences the strongest force of gravity from the Milky Way. Well, if Earth's minor, it's not that far away. What causes the sun to rise each morning? The Earth revolves around the sun. Well, the Earth rotates on its axis. Right here, the Earth takes, which causes 1 day. So it's not... The sun isn't revolving around the Earth isn't revolving around the sun isn't rotating on its axis, the Earth rotates on its axis. Choose the best option. The force of gravity is stronger between objects that have more mass. Why is our year approximately 365 days long? It's all about Earth. The table shows the masses of 3 satellites orbiting Earth. Assume the 3 satellites are the same distance from the planet. What satellite experiences the strongest force of gravity? So assuming they're all the same distance from the planet. So it's probably going to be B, because B is very, very heavy. Nearly 10,000 kilograms, so that's like 20,000 pounds versus only 1,000 pounds. Yeah. Yay!